Hi! Today, I'm sharing how to create 3D pop-up effect using Canva. Learning is fun, let's do it! Open your Canva, select a photo dimensions. From the editor side panel, select Elements tab, search for wall frame. Right-click mouse and select Set Image as Background. Reposition the image. Go to Elements tab again and click on a grid as shown. Reposition the grid. Click the Photos tab and search for dolphin. Drag the dolphin image into the grid. Then flip the image, select Flip Horizontal, reposition the image again, add the same dolphin image, and go to the top panel, click Edit Image. Click the Background Remover. The background of the dolphin image will be removed. Remember to flip the image. Next, we need to reposition the second image and crop it. Let's add a shadow on the dolphin. Go to Edit Image, click Shadow and select Drop. Further adjust the shadow editor too. We can add some water splash effect as well. Back to Elements tab, search for water splash. Adjust a bit. Finally, click Share button and download. I hope this tutorial is helpful to you. Please like and follow my channel for more fun and exciting tips. See ya!